and welcome back to my channel. My name is Connie and today I'm going to be bringing you guys an eyeshadow tutorial using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So if you want to see the final look, please keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to get started. We're going to jump right into the tutorial. It is an eyeshadow tutorial, so that's why I have you guys super close and personal. So first and foremost, we're going to start by priming our eyes, and today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the color 1.0. You can use any concealer, honestly, or you can use an eyeshadow primer. I use whatever is handy at the moment, so I'm gonna apply a little bit and just blend it out with my fingertip. And it might be a little bit excessive, but it's okay. I really want my lids to be even, so I packed it on. So now I'm gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder to set the concealer, because I do not want that to go anywhere. I don't want my shadows to crease, and I want my shadows to go on super smoothly. So this step, it's really, really important for me. Otherwise, my shadows will come out patchy. So So now that our eyes are primed, we're gonna go and jump right into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which has been, it has been one of my favorite palettes lately and for the summer. Now I don't have a look in mind, so we're gonna see what comes up. So before I go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I am gonna go into another palette. I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate palette, and I'm going to grab the color Mousse right here, and that's gonna be just to use as my transition color, just because the Take Me Back to Brazil doesn't really have a transition color, so this is the only thing I'm gonna be using from this particular palette. Okay, so that is it. It's gonna look messy until the end. All right guys, so once that is done, we're gonna go into one of the darker orange colors, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna go in with a fluffy blending brush, and this is the Morphe B81. I got this one a long time ago. So I think they have different names now, and I'm just gonna put that on the crease. And I'm going to pack it on the crease and on the most part on the, so I'm gonna go from here on out, I'm gonna pack it on, leaving this area blank. So now I'm gonna go in with the red color right here with a smaller, more tapered blending brush, and this is from Coastal Scents. This is the BRCS06, and this is super old, so it might have a different name to it. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit in my brush, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner just to intensify the orange. So honestly, it's blending in with the orange so nicely that it looks like it's a darker orange instead of a red. So that is working out perfectly. And I'm gonna go back in with my brush and just kind of blend that a little bit more. And like I said, you guys, it's gonna look a disaster until the end, so just bear with me. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that red. Okay guys, so now we're gonna take a flat shader brush like this one. If it focuses. There we go. And this is from Eco Tools, and it's super old as well. I've had my brushes for a really long time. And I mean, they're good brushes, so they last a long time. So we're gonna go in with this yellow right here. We're gonna pack on the color like so. And then we're just gonna put it on the inner corner like that. So now I'm gonna be using the other yellow color that's down here. Oh, you guys, sorry. I'm so sorry. So I use this one, I'm gonna use this one, and then last I'm gonna be using this one. So I'm gonna be using all three yellow shades in the palette. Now, don't forget to bring it all the way over here. Now, this is a personal choice. You don't have to bring it all the way down here, but I previously saw somebody with a similar look, and I loved how it looked with that yellow all the way over here, so that's why I'm doing it basically. So like I said, I'm going into the other yellow colors and just packing it on. Like so. It's coming together, guys. It really is coming along. And there's gonna be very minimum blending needed. Okay, you can see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back with my fluffy blending brush and just gonna blend a little bit up here. You don't need to blend a lot because it's already pretty blended, but I just want to blend. And if you lose a little bit of the yellow, just keep going back to the yellow and pack it on a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go back to the lightest yellow in the palette, grab a little bit of that, and then just pack it on. So this one did create a line, so I'm gonna blend it a little. There we go. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go back with my tapered blending brush. I'm not gonna add any more color. I'm just gonna use it to blend right here, to blend the yellow and the orange. Very lightly, very lightly, because I do not want to lose any more of the yellow. And as you can see, I'm already lost a little bit of the yellow here. So with my finger, I'm just gonna grab a little bit and just put a little bit right there, like so. So that is it for now, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and then do some lashes. Alright guys, so we are back. I finished the rest of my face. Now let's finish this eyeshadow tutorial. So we're gonna be working on the lower lash and we're gonna highlight the brow bone. Now for the lower lash, I'm only gonna try to use yellows just so that I can get more of that yellow into the look. And I'm gonna be using these two yellows right here. I'm gonna be using this one and this one. I'm gonna leave this one alone for right now. So with a pencil brush like this one, and this is a cheap one from Walmart that I've had for a really long time, we're gonna grab the lightest yellow, which is this one. We're gonna grab it like that, and we're gonna put it on the inner corner. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this shadow right here with the clean side of the brush, like so, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Forget this brush. I'm going to use my pinky. Better. Mommy. See, princess. Now we're just gonna take a fluffy brush and we're gonna go. So this palette does not have a matte brow bone color, so I'm gonna go back to the palette that we used in the beginning for the transition color. Oh my god, I can't even talk right now. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use Cocoa Cream right here to highlight the brow bone. And that's it, you guys. We are done. I really hope you guys like this look. I hope it was easy to explain. Again, I apologize about the lighting.